So here we go again. This one right here. Look at
Oh my God.
Y'all see that? All that stuff in the seats. All in the vents. In the doors and stuff like that. I can't open the back door because the battery don't work. I'm taking photos, but yeah, this one right here is I can't even get in the back door. The outside, he's not really worried about the outside or nothing like that. It just needs to go, a little work, but let's see. Oh, look at that doors. What is this?
Oh my God.
Y'all see that? Cigarette burns, that type deal. A lot of stuff in the backseat. What the?
Oh no.
What's that, a floorboard? Oh, okay, yeah, that goes in the trunk.
Oh no.
Hold on. Oh, this is a cool little duffel bag. Probably something that was left in here or whatnot. I don't know if that's a bad dog or somebody or something. I can tell. It's one for the car lot. You got a fishing pole. Good icy waters and all. Y'all see that? It can be wild. There's some stuff in here, man.
No.
I'm gonna let y'all fully just check out this one while I get look, cigarettes down there. Okay, so this is something that can come. This is something that somebody put in between the seat, I guess, to keep things from going in between the seat. You know what I mean? I didn't even realize that. I thought that was a part of the seat for a second, but it's so dirty it blends in with the gray seat. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some power to this one because you just about need power to hold on. Yeah, this is all messed up. Yeah, that's all messed up. All kind of stuff all in between here. Yeah, I can see why he say he wanted this one cleaned up. Yeah, it's gonna need some work. I'll let y'all see it.
Oh my God.
This is not. So I'm having to jump this one off. This stuff in the inside, I'm gonna have to take and put it all in that duffel bag. So this is his partner's car. So yes, it's not going to auction. I'm gonna try to put on a lot to sell it. Y'all hit that like and subscribe, man. I keep forgetting to say that, man. But y'all hit that like and subscribe. Really. Alright, yeah, I'm trying to hold this and do that at the same time. So yeah, I am trying to multitask.
Oh my God.
That can't be a good bike. See, I hit on side. Some kind of post like that don't let you fit anything, you know? Right here.
No.
That sparked up. That shot. It's got to be another way to get to that. Cause that ain't good.
No.
They ain't supposed to spark like that, y'all. It is not supposed to spark like that. So, this is crazy. Maybe from the top, y'all. From the top. There we go, y'all. Bam. Ding. Let's see how much we got. A good charge in the box. Ding. We got a brand new battery back here to put off in there for real, for real. Ding. All I want to do is just really like basically start it. Oh man.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Alright, so we here. We still one hand doing it. Y'all hit that like and subscribe. Why? Because I'm putting in this full effort to make sure y'all can see everything I'm doing. Help me help y'all. Let's put this on. Let's try to crank this up. Foot on that pedal.
What?
Alright. Where the heck is the button? No. Alright, so this is gonna take us forever. Ding. At least I can get the doors unlocked. Forget it. I ain't got to. There it go, y'all. What? Let's try it again. Y'all know what? Forget starting this. As long as them doors came unlocked, we're good. I also found this in the car.
What?
So y'all see, I got a lot going on with this car. Somebody trying to call, but I'll call him back. Oh, that's my homeboy.
rather be and here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
And the inside and everything. Like I just showed y'all how to do a quick cleanup on it. Something real quick, man. So if y'all see the inside, it's all clean. You know what I mean? It probably took me about 2 hours roughly, but this is a quick cleanup, and I want to show y'all how you can clean a car without the steam cleaner, without all the extra tools. Yeah, I had a speed brush, but that's because I was just really trying to get this done. But it don't take a lot, man. And interior, this one, it came back pretty good. You know what I mean? Y'all hit the like and subscribe, man. Follow, share, do something. Help me with the algorithm or whatever's on there, man. Y'all do something. You feel me? But this vehicle has came out to be one of the best I done did so far. Well, I'm playing. Nah. I mean, you know, you got little things like these burn marks right there. You know, there's ways that you take care of those, you know what I mean? But that's a whole nother video, man. But I hope y'all like what y'all see, what I done did to it. And if you're in Panama City and you're looking for a great place to get your car detailed, somebody that's going to take their time with your vehicle, y'all let me know. Like I said, this one was a quick job. This one for the car lot. They're just trying to put it up for auction, and they just ain't want to put it out there looking all nasty. Like, you know, you got things like, look, all this stuff right here, that's dye. You know what I mean? So that's a whole nother job. People been smoking in this car, terrorizing the carpet. That's all these burnt marks and stuff like that. That's not going to come out by cleaning. You have to fill those in. You have to add dye in there, and sometimes, hey, you can even go as far as replacing the whole carpet. You know what I mean? But like I said, that's a whole nother video. I do all that too. So y'all hit that like and subscribe. Follow my page. Share my page. Y'all hit me up on Facebook, Instagram if y'all got any questions or anything like that on what good products it is to use that probably you can buy out of the store or anything like that. Y'all let me know, man. This is a quick cleanup on a vehicle, man. I like these little things that see how these little things come up and down in the BMW. Oh crap! You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna probably wash this one real quick so they'll be able to put it on the lot. But y'all get back at me later.